Want to make your presentation stand out with smooth professional animation? In this video, I will show you how to create a SWOT analysis animation in PowerPoint. Let's start the video. First, go to Shape, Hollow Circle, hold the Shift key and draw a perfect ring shape. Adjust the width of ring as you like, thick or thin depending on your design. Then go to Align Center and Align Middle to position it perfectly on the slide. Now press Ctrl Shift to duplicate the circle and keep one aside for backup. Next, go to Shape, Triangle, drag it out and rotate it left by 90 degrees. Align it to the middle and position it so it fits exactly inside 1/4 of the ring. Now, select both the ring and the triangle. Go to Merge Shape, Subtract. This will cut out 1/4 of the ring, the first part of our SWOT diagram. Select Shape Fill, any color you like, and set Shape Outline, No Outline. Duplicate this new quarter shape by pressing Ctrl Shift and send it to back. Then go to Shape Effect and increase the transparency to 100%. Make sure the shape outline is set to no outline. Now select both the transparent shape and the color quarter and group them. This ensures your shape rotates properly when animated. For now, select a yellow color from Shape Fill to make it stand out. Next, go to Insert, Icon and search for Trophy for strength, Warning sign for weakness, Rocket for opportunity, and Prohibited sign for threat. Insert all four, resize them, and position them one by one in each section. Now, select Shape with icon, group them, and send them to back. Then, add text boxes for your labels, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Position each text box near its respective section for clear visibility. Now, let's bring it all to life with animation. Select the strength text box, apply fade animation. Then, select the quarter ring group, click Add Animation, Spin, go to Effect option, Amount Quarter Spin, and select counterclockwise. Set duration to 1.5 seconds. Select the weakness text box, apply fade animation, and say Start After Previous. Then, select the ring group again, add spin animation. Choose counterclockwise. Quarter spin and set duration to 1.5 seconds. Repeat the same process. Fade animation for opportunity, after previous, then add spin, counterclockwise, quarter spin, 1.5 seconds. Fade animation for thread, after previous, add spin, counterclockwise, quarter spin, 1.5 seconds. Now when you preview it in slideshow, each section will appear one by one with a smooth rotating transition, giving you a clean and professional SWOT animation. And that's it, your animated SWOT analysis is ready. This technique gives your presentation a dynamic and modern look while keeping it simple and elegant. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Akshrika Tutorials and tap the bell icon for more creative PowerPoint animation tricks.